Ryan's father was murdered when he was 6. His mom was unemployed.
Sa isang araw, isang beses kumain. Yun lang, maliban sa paaralan ko is malayo.
Ryan and her sister had to transfer to a school they could afford, where they had to walk several miles every day. After every long walk from school, the necessity to earn a living followed.
Walang pakialam kung babagsak ba ako sa pag-aaral ko, wala akong pakialam kung magagalit yung nanay ko, wala akong pakialam kung anong sasabihin ng iba. Sa akin lang, enjoy lang ako.
Delph was an intelligent student. He wanted to be an engineer, but his family could not afford to send him to a private school. He didn't take his studies seriously and always sought the pleasure of the moment.
Yung mga co-teacher niya, lagi naririnig niya na bulakbol na, wala ng future. So, most affected talaga yung mother ko at saka yung brother ko.
Nakatira po kami sa Luneta, which is a part in Manila. Nanghihingi kami ng pagkain. Tuwan-tuwa kami pag maglalagay sila ng Chicken Joy, spaghetti, yung hindi nila naubos.
Mark was 5 when his mother decided to move to Luneta. She reckoned a public park is a better place to raise kids than the notorious slums of Tondo. At a very young age, Mark was separated from his mom and brother to work for another family. It was his ticket to his elementary education. Different life stories, different hurdles. But one thing rings true with Ryan, Delph, and Mark. Their futures seem to have been destined to one of almost certain misery. But they shared a trait that enabled them to surmount the odds. They were determined. One chance was all they needed. A chance that they will cling on to as if their very lives depended on it.
Sa 7 scholarship po, ang pinili ko is NIS.
Nakipagsapalaran po ako. Galing Davao, bumalik ako ng Cebu para i-process po yung mga requirements ng NSA.
Sinabihan na ako ng mother ko, Dong, mayroong scholarship program. Kunin mo yan, pasado ka na. Bakit mo masabi na pasado na ako? Sabi niya, that is already a gift from God to us, sa family natin.
Ryan graduated magna cum laude in 2001. He became a captain just 8 years later. He won 2 consecutive Ship of the Year honors, being the permanent master on board Stolt Quetzal in 2013 and 2014. More significantly, he has uplifted the lives of his mom and sister and sent many of his relatives to school. By March 2005, Delph completed his bachelor's degree in marine engineering with honors and placed 5th in the board exams. He was recently promoted to Chief Marine Engineer in KGJS and has become a source of inspiration to his relatives and friends. Mark recently graduated and expects to be on board by January 2016. With his intern allowances, he was able to rent an apartment for his mom, a far better place than the cemetery that she called home for years before this. Solstad, his sponsoring company, also financed his mom's breast tumor surgery that has long kept her in pain.
It's truly a blessing from God, but I'm also thankful for the NIS NSA program, because without this, I don't see myself as a successful person as that now.
Napakalabo po para sa akin na makamit ko po yung tagumpay ko without NSA. Dahil sa kanila, sa kagaya kong mahirap na tao ay nakayang maging professional at nakayang makamit yung pangarap niya sa buhay.
Ang galing nung ang galing nung isip, galing nung kung anong naging structure ng mind nila, kung bakit nila naisip na ganito na project. Kung hindi dahil sa NIS, ano ako ngayon? Di siguro ako nakakapagbarko. Siguro tagatinda ako ng dyan sa daan. So wala eh.